Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the phone calls function in your device. To enable the call functions, you need to at first open the settings. Here, open Bluetooth, and as you can see, tap this arrow near your current Bluetooth device. Here, as you can see, we have phone calls connected to phone audio. It's enabled by default, but if you have it disabled, just tap it to enable. Wait a moment. Here, now, tap to enable, tap to disable, tap to enable, and tap to disable. Disabling this phone calls feature may get your device be unavailable, or just, there may be some connectivity bugs. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.